Bad breath, which is also known as halitosis, could be due to poor dental hygiene practices, and it could also be as a result of other medical challenges which can make an individual to bring out bad breaths. When you talk, people don't want to stay around you, the odor is so offensive. This can be embarrassing and it can also reduce your self confidence. You won't be able to express yourself where people are because of this odor. It is terrible. And in this video, I'm here to tell you the causes and what you need to do to eliminate this bad odor coming out from your mouth. In case if this is the challenge you have, stay tuned and watch the end so that you'll be able to get to the root of this problem. And please do not forget to share this message for those who are looking for solution to problems like this. You are welcome. In this channel, I talk about the good lifestyle, that which you need to do to stay healthy, to enjoy your life. If this kind of content you enjoy watching, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscriber, this is me saying thank you so much for watching. Thank you for viewing. So let's dive into the main topic of today, which is bad breath. Like I said earlier on, a lot of things causes this bad breath. Some are ignorant of it. Apart from brushing your teeth daily, there are more to it so that you can be able to avoid bad breath. And for those who have it already, you will know what to do to eliminate it or to stop it completely. The first thing that causes bad breath is food. Definitely you have to eat, but how do you manage your mouth after eating? That's where the point is. You have to make sure that after eating, you remove all the food particles that is entrapping on your gums and your teeth. If you don't remove them after a while, bacteria will entrap on it and it becomes odorous. It will become smelly because bacteria will activate those food material and it will start decaying and the odor is out of this place. You won't be able to perceive a very good odor when somebody who doesn't eat it. So what you need to do, as soon as you finish eating, rinse your mouth properly with water, pick up your floss. Can you see it clearly? Go in between your teeth and remove those food particles that are entrapped in your teeth and your gums. It is not expensive. This can save you a lot. It will save you this bad breath. Some people have bad breath without knowing it. It's not because you have any other medical challenges, it's because of poor dental hygiene. Make sure you wash your mouth, you rinse your mouth after eating and floss. That is the first thing I'm going to tell you in this video. That's very important because I know that as soon as you wake up from your bed, you brush your teeth. So, aside brushing teeth, there are things you need to do in order to avoid bad breath. And remember that brushing your teeth is not just once. You make sure that you brush your teeth at least twice a day. Brush your teeth morning and night. Again, brush your teeth morning and night. Don't just do it once and say it's okay because you won't be able to remove all the particles that are entrapped on your teeth and your gum because this is the major thing that causes bad breath aside underlying medical conditions. So when you finish eating, remove the food particles in between your teeth and your gums with floss, rinse your mouth. Then make sure you brush your teeth at least twice in a day. At least twice in a day. It will save you this bad breath. It will save you from this and boost your self confidence. Trust me, if you have bad odor and you come around people and talk, people will shy away. You think they're not interested in what you're saying. No, it's because you have bad breath and it can be embarrassing. So save yourself this embarrassment by doing the right thing. Then the second thing I'm going to talk about here is smoke or tobacco. People who smoke or people who use tobacco. This thing can give you bad breath. It can give you bad breath because tobacco on its own has a characteristic odor that is not pleasant. And what smoking does for you again is that it causes gum diseases or gum infection. And when your gums are infected, the bacteria also goes there to thrive and produces bad odor. So if you can quit smoking, if you can quit smoking, then the next thing you're going to do is you make sure as a smoker you brush your teeth regularly, at least twice in a day. There are smokers toothpaste. In case if you don't know, go and find one and use for yourself so that you avoid this bad breath. And also, you can embark on using some perfume, nice perfume. If you're a smoker, use nice perfume so that this odor will not be, obvious when you talk to people, when you are around people, because this smoking has a very bad odor. The smoke, tobacco has a very bad odor. So you need to work on yourself by brushing at least twice a day and use a very nice perfume to chase this odor away and be able to stay around people without getting embarrassed. All right. Remember, I said firstly is the food you eat. There are certain food that you eat that has very strong spicy odor, especially those spicy food. What it does is that it moves into your bloodstream and gets their way into your lungs, especially things like ginger and garlic. They get their way through your lungs, and when you breathe, this odor comes from within, not just in your mouth. It comes from within because they move straight into the bloodstream. So they get you bad odors. Or if you can avoid it, but if you cannot, make sure that you brush your teeth and drink enough water to dilute this. It can help. Drinking enough water while you are on ginger or garlic therapy can help a lot to reduce this odor because it is so harsh. All right. The next thing I'm going to talk about here is your dental habit. Most of people don't visit a dentist because they are ignorant of it. It is advised that at least you visit a dentist twice in a year. You may not know that you have developed some problems until you see your doctor. So please go for a check. Go to your dentist, let them examine your teeth to know if there's any microbe growing or any infection within your gum or if your tooth has any problem, because if they do, infection bacteria will go there and thrive. When they thrive there, they produce bad odor and you'll be able to know. Sometimes you can go for scaling and polishing. It's simply to remove those things that are being accumulated in your teeth that gives you bad breath. It's not because your teeth are dirty, no. It's to remove those clogged debris within your teeth and give you a shiny look. Remember, when you smile, it brings up your beauty. So take care of your dental hygiene and enjoy your life. Smile as much as you can and gain your confidence back. All right, there are some medication too. If you are on certain drugs, they can give you bad breaths. Yes, there are certain drugs that are being dissolved into the system and get their way to the lung that when you talk, those things will come out. But those ones will disappear as soon as you stop those drugs. It will go on its own. I'm just telling you the causes. Yes, it can. Then the next thing that can give you bad breath is infection. Infection in your tonsil. When you get infections there, bacteria are there, viruses too. They decompose and bring bad breath. So make sure you see your doctor when you have infections around the tonsil so that you can get treated and those things will get away. All right. Make sure you follow what I'm telling you. Do not forget to ask me questions using the comment section. Let's analyze this. In case you have any problems concerning this bad breath, do not forget to ask questions. Share this message, like. Let me answer your question using the comment section. Remember, your health is your wealth, and you can't afford to stop smiling. And when you allow this bacteria to stay for a long time in your teeth will start falling off. And you know the beauty around your face is this teeth. And when your teeth starts falling off, it's a problem. You will not be able to look that beautiful that you used to. So take care of your dental hygiene. Make sure you visit your dentist at least twice in a year to check if all is well. Just like you see your doctor to check your blood pressure, to check your temperature and all that. That is how you're going to visit your dentist twice in a year. Remember, I said twice in a year to make sure that check that all is well.